Hello friends, I'm Error Slayer and today, I'll show you how to add Microsoft Store games or apps to desktop. As you can see, when you right-click on any Microsoft Store game, you don't see the Create Shortcut option. The solution is very simple. First, type Run into the Windows search bar and open it. In the Run command, type shell, apps folder, and click OK. Then, find the Microsoft Store game or application you want to add to your desktop inside the folder that opens. Right-click on it and select Create Shortcut. Click the Yes button. As you can see, the Microsoft Store game has been successfully added to desktop. I hope this tutorial video on how to add Microsoft Store games to desktop was helpful. If so, please let me know in the comments, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and like the video. Have a good day.